So we've made a decision and Daryl's driving to Tittesworth Reservoir. Wow.
Capturing moments, creating memories. And welcome to our channel.
So here we are, Tittesworth Water. And like I say, we've got Mum and we've got Daryl and we've got Nick. And we're in the black ST. And just look at this, this is stunning. Absolutely amazing. Just having a look at the main building here. Look at this. It's amazing, this is. I think Nick's been desperate to get out. We've got a sculpture there of like a man holding a jug. And then I think when we were here last time, this has got all scaffolding up and all been done up. So it looks like all that's finished now and all reopened. And it's like a big stone sort of wall. It's beautiful. And then we've got a lot of picnic tables and everything. So it's all, to be honest with you, completely closed up. Unbelievable that is tonight. You would have thought it would have been all open, but no. It's closed. And look at the bee. Amazing. And there's the ST. Wow. We're going to have a look on the grass. I think there's quite a few people picnicking actually here, so we'll have a walk on the grass and see what we can see with the other side of the building here again. But like I say, all completely closed up tonight. I thought Saturday night it would have been all open. So it looks like Nick's having a fabulous time there. He's walking on the grass. You can see the lake in front of us here, which looks pretty good. Incredible. More lovely picnic tables there as I head closer to the lake. And I'll tell you now, it's cooling down a lot. Getting closer and closer now to the lake. I think the grass has been quite freshly cut. And we've got some other people here with a dog. Look how beautiful the lake looks there. It's fabulous. So Daryl's got the helipad out, and it looks like the 360 is going to go up here for you. So yeah, this should be fabulous as he flies this. You should get some amazing views over the lake again. So he's getting his goggles on, the drone's there, and I would say any minute it's going to take off, and we're going to put you some amazing footage on. So let's just watch it take off. And he'll probably press record in a second, and as it goes out, I've just seen it go into 360 mode, we'll put you the footage on. So here's the big guy coming in. Wow, there you are, as it touches down. And there you are, as it lands, straight on the spot. And there's our Nick. Look at him, he's really enjoying himself there as he looks at the lake. And Daryl's packing the drone up there. Wow. Let's have a look at the lake here. Let's just walk down to the edge. Here's Nicky going down. He doesn't want to go because Daryl's up there. But we are going head down. Come on, mate. You're a good boy. Come on. Come on. And look at the lake here now. Doesn't it look fabulous there? It says no swimming. It's overgrown a hell of a lot since we were last here. But no, it's absolutely, it's beautiful. And as I say, that footage that Daryl's just done, when that comes out, that will be absolutely amazing, stunning. So I think Mum's enjoying a look there, and Nick's there looking as well, and Daryl. Absolutely incredible. There's a lot of birds out on the lake as well. So we'll just have another look at the lake. Nick's just barked at me. I think he wants to go somewhere. Let's have a look where Nick is. He's there looking. Come on then. So we're heading back towards the car. We're parked up the top. Nick keeps looking, just make sure we're here looking.
It's quite a nice path there, looking. You can get down to the lake.
Walking along this path. Looks like a lot of people are packing the picnicking up now. And like I say, it has gone a lot cooler than it was earlier on. But still a lovely night, and so glad we've come to the reservoir. So we'll go round this path and head back to the car. And I think all in all, we've had pretty good time. And Daryl's had an amazing flight with his drone as well. So he's done well with his drone. Another table there, Licky, so you can picnic. But what I really am disappointed about tonight is even the toilets here are closed. It's unbelievable. I thought the cafe would be open. Yeah. So Daryl's just said he thought the cafe had still been open, but it isn't. And the toilets and everything would be open. But like I say, all completely closed. There's Nick and Daryl there, and it looks like he's going to have his picture taken there. He doesn't like his picture taken. He always moves, and he doesn't look. Oh, he's looking there now. That was a good one. So what a wonderful time we've had there tonight at the reservoir. Daryl's just putting Nick back in the car. Mum's going to get in. Car looks amazing. So I think Daryl's going to put Mum in the car now. You can go get in the car. I'll put the bag in, and then away we'll go. Really good. Look at the view here now of the lake just before we finish the video. And then this is in one of the car parks. It's absolutely